They say there are no buses.
In Thailand, visa.
Today finish.
Chiang Rai, here we go. We've been snuck across the border. It looks a little bit close. Good morning.
We are Silke and Kieran and we are on our 10-year honeymoon around the world.
Yep, and today we are crossing the border from Thailand into Laos.
Yes.
We are starting our journey in Chiang Mai and we are making our way to Chiang Kong via bus to cross the border into, I think it's Quan Sin.
Yeah.
But we have a slight time limit because today our visa runs out. We would usually hitchhike the journey, but with such little time left, we are taking the green bus from Chiang Mai.
Or at least we hope. We don't know if there's a bus. We don't even know if the border is open as it's a Saturday.
Yeah,
so.
there's so many different things online. But today, we're hopefully going to give you the real information and everything that's happening right now on the border crossing from Thailand to Laos.
Excuse me, we are crossing the border into Laos. You have a bus ticket to Chiang Kong?
Chiang Mai go to Chiang Kong.
Yes.
No, ต้องเป็น tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Today?
มันบอกยังแต่เมื่อนี้มันเกิดไงเกิดเมื่อนี้แล้วเชียงของอ่ะบอกว่ายังไงว่า
They say there are no buses.
บอกว่าอะไรเชียงของเมื่อนี้รถมันไปแล้วเนี่ยรถมันเต็ม It's full
Full?
yeah อ๋อมัน 9:30 มาดูก่อนนะ
We may have a little issue. The buses are full.
If we don't get there today, like, our visa runs out today.
Yeah, our visa in Thailand visa
Today finish.
The people at the bus station are such sweethearts. They are sorting us out with a little sign.
Oh, thank you.
Khop khun kap.
Kopunka.
We have a sign. We're going to Chiang Kong.
And our friends have arrived. Woo! So a funny story, our friends actually were planning to go to India today, but their visa got rejected yesterday, so we were like, oh my god, what are we going to do? So we said, come with us to Laos. So now they're here, they're joining us for this crazy adventure. So I think it will be a lot of fun anyway. Let's see.
Oh my god! I'm good! Feels like I'm gonna die.
I know!
Okay, we have an update. We're now going to hitchhike towards Chiang Rai, and from there it's like only a short bus journey to the Chiang Kong border crossing, which is Friendship Bridge number 4 between Thailand and Laos. So
We're so lucky that we have so easy friends, you know?
yeah,
They're like, okay, let's do
these guys
it,
are just
whatever.
like, whatever you want to do, guys. Let's do this. We can do this. So we were going to give it 5-10 more minutes and then we were going to head to the bus stop. But this guy is going all the way to Chiang Rai. And the only thing is we've got to be locked in this little cage. But we're all going to be locked in together, so that is a good fun thing.
Oh, we have a rooftop though.
We have a rooftop. Wow. All the good stuffs. Let's do this, guys. What an adventure.
High five! High five! High five! High five! High five!
Chiang Rai, here we go.
This guy is a legend. Literally, like, we were, okay, now it's time to go and check if there's any buses to Chiang Rai because we've been here for hours and nobody picks up. Thank you!
People in Thailand are so beautiful. Wow. Yeah, let me know when you want to change please.
Not me, I'm like really comfy.
In the tire. She's never gonna get tired of that scene.
1 point. You have real dad jokes.
I do. I think I'm ready to be a dad, so
Oh yeah.
got dad jokes going on. Hello? Hello, Sawadee Krap. We are in Chiang Rai, which is a big plus. And it's still early in the day. What time is it? It's like 2:30. But like that, we don't want to be hassled. If he stays in Chiang Rai, then we're happy just to go from here. We can either get a bus or another car to go there. Yeah, like he's such a great guy. Like it's been so amazing to travel this way, and yeah, Khop Kap. And we have made it to Chiang Rai.
Yeah, amazing. Now it's only a short bus, I think 2 hours to Chiang Kong. We're not sure yet if it's like the only bus.
Yeah, we've decided to take the bus because we just don't want to risk it. And boy, the guy who drove us here, he's so nice, and he's negotiating with the guys. They're trying to find out when the buses are because we'd like to get some food first. But it's like only 70 baht for the bus from Chiang Rai to Chiang Kong to take the border.
Easy.
So yeah. Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
YouTube, yeah.
You send us a message. Say hello.
Okay.
And Kieran is out taking some shots.
The guy who brought us here asked the question, and we're not 100% sure, but we think that it's maybe only one bus from Chiang Rai to Chiang Kong every day.
So we are actually like quite lucky because we arrived just at the right time.
So right now our information is that at 3 o'clock every day there's a nice hair flick. There's a bus that leaves from Chiang Rai to Chiang Kong, and apparently that's the only one that goes to the border. So yeah. Almost at the border. They just say we've got to take a tuk-tuk. We're going to see how much it costs though, because it's only like a 40-minute walk, and you know how I am by now.
Almost there. Almost there.
50 baht each. I'm not going to lie, the bus was 70 baht to get all the way here, and that was 2 hours. That's 5 minutes. And a tuk-tuk.
Let's walk.
I'm happy to walk.
Yeah.
What do you want to do, Jacob?
I don't know.
We have a ride. Amazing.
One more ride for today.
Mi amor.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. Khop Kap.
Sorry, I just put it in your lap.
My butt is wet.
Ah, same.
It's good we got 2 cars.
Yay!
At the same time.
We've been snuck across the border in the least sneaky way. We're just like laughing and stuff.
But we have to check out.
We do need to check out. We're checking out of a hotel. Right, they're going to charge us for the next night. If we don't get ourselves out, tell them we're leaving. And we have arrived at the border. That's better. And ready to check out of Thailand. So let's do this.
Let's get into Laos.
They're probably going to say you can't film. So soon we may lose the GoPro. It looks a little bit close.
It's very close.
One.
I think so.
Yes?
Yes.
No way.
Nah.
No.
Royal Thai Police, I don't know.
I guess we're going in here. Yeah, I'll try.
We just want to leave. You know, if you get the stamp, then we could just stay here.
Yeah, we want to know where to go to Laos and check out of Thailand. Outside on your left hand. Control. Okay.
Open.
Hurry up,
Yeah.
hurry up.
Khop
Hurry up,
Kap.
hurry up. Okay, Kap.
What does he hurry up? He said hurry up.
Yeah, get to
Hurry up. I don't know where we're hurrying up to. Ah.
it is open.
Oh, amazing. And we have checked out of Thailand. I think, are we going to leave the rest till later to another video or?
I think so.
So I think the next video we are going to be checking ourselves into Laos and then maybe taking a very slow boat.
Of 2 days to Luang Prabang, which will
Let's
be
see.
an amazing adventure.
So join us again next time for that. We hope you
Yeah.
had a wonderful time in this video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did,
Please like, subscribe, and all the good stuff.
Yeah.
And yeah, we see you in the next one.
yep, see you soon.
So it wasn't quite finished yet.
Nope.
It's 20 baht to get over the bridge. Literally over the bridge.
Oh no, well actually because it's a weekend, 25 baht, 5 baht extra, so we were 50 baht on this bus. It's going to take us just across the bridge. Okay, Laos, here we come.
Yay!
Oh, when do the flags change? When do the flags change? Does the whole bridge belong to Thailand? Or is it Laos? Oh, there we go. That's it. Ah, we're now in the Laos section.
Welcome in Laos!
We're now in Laos.
Yay!